With the current and continuous increase in dollar to naira, there is no better time than now to start making money in dollars right here in Nigeria. Stick around to find out more. Hello and welcome to the Digital Earning Palace YouTube channel, where I teach you to make money online and related content. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe now to this channel, and all the links that I'll be mentioning to you right here in this video, I'm going to have them linked in the description box below. Our focus for today is on 5 businesses to earn in dollars and how to make money online in 2022 and beyond. I'll also be sharing with you how you can get a great number of clients and how you can make a lot of money from the businesses that I'll be revealing to you in just a minute right here in today's video. If really this is of great interest to you, I urge that you stick around and watch this video all through to the very end. And I'll share with you a gift for free that will grant you access to something that I have in stock for you that will be helpful to you in starting your own online business and also help you scale your business online. Without any further ado, let's get started. Before we get started, ensure to stay subscribed now to this channel. Also hit the like button, because right here on this channel, I usually publish content related to how to make money online, digital marketing, online businesses, and everything else that is related, and I don't want you to miss it. So subscribe and turn on the bell. So speaking of 5 businesses that will pay you in dollars in this year and beyond, the number 1 on our list is blogging. The basic idea about blogging is that you get to put out content on a site. It's a form of sharing information where you pick a particular niche and begin sharing information around that particular niche. It is discovered that blogging is one of the oldest models. Despite being the oldest, it is one of the most profitable models when it comes to earn money in dollars. The reason for this is because people are always on the lookout for information. If you therefore can bring the information they are on the lookout for to their doorstep using the idea of blogging, it is only normal that they will keep coming back for more. And the cool part is that the more traffic you get to your blog site, the more money you are definitely going to be making. To have a successful blog in this year, then you need to figure out how to create what is called a niche blog. When I talk of a niche blog, it is when you create a blog specifically for a particular aspect of the market. You're focusing on just a very simple thing in the smaller space of the market. This will definitely help you not just to grow, but also to scale up your earnings using blogging in this current year. Once you're able to pick up a targeted niche, which could range anywhere from technology, housing, fashion, Minecraft, agriculture, gaming, religion, spirituality, and a whole lot of niche made available to you on the internet for your exploration. Once you have created your blog, the next thing is how to make money from the blog that you have created. First way you can earn from your blog is through the traffic you get from your blog. As a blog owner, your main aim is to create information for people about a particular product, about a particular niche, or about a particular service. As an example, I talk about how to make money online. What happens is that people who are interested in how to make money online are the ones who come to my blog and start reading what I write about. And they keep on coming to my blog because I am giving to them what they want. Over time, if you do the same thing, you begin to build an audience that likes what you are putting out on your blog, and then Google gets to pay you. You can actually use Google AdSense to monetize your blog content. The cool thing about Google AdSense is that it pays you on the traffic that you have that get to see any ads that they place on your blog site. When your traffic keeps on growing, you begin to get paid from Google AdSense or any other ad channel that you wish to get paid with. So the more content that you put out and the more traffic that you get, the more money you get to make. The next thing that you want to do after picking your niche is to go straight ahead and start creating a blog. For you to have access to a beginner's class on how to start a profitable blog and begin making anywhere between like $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, I will have a link in the description box to a video so you can actually have access to the master class room. Meanwhile, if you want to keep testing things out all by yourself, then you can actually make use of the free blog site that is also available to you on the internet. I will also do a dedicated video for this purpose, and if you want to see this video when it's been uploaded, subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be the first to be notified when I release this video. The second way you can actually make money online in dollars is to publish and sell ebooks online. This method of making money online is super cool. All you need to do is to create an ebook. And so what exactly is an ebook? This is simply a digital product that contains information which can be accessed digitally using digital gadgets. As compared with physical books that we usually read, this comes in really handy and simple because it can be accessed using your handheld devices.
this is the easiest way a lot of people prefer to read in this current age and time. Now, the advantage of creating an ebook is that there is less barrier when it comes to the location as regarding shipping and so many other factors, which adds up to the advantages of creating an ebook. The fun part is that someone can go ahead and make payment for your ebook and download it wherever and however in whichever part of the world that they want, as compared to when you sell physical books. What happens is that they have to deal with shipping and that kind of a thing. But making it more accessible, you get paid in dollars. What you need to do is to take a look at your area of expertise. What knowledge do you possess, or even whatever you are trying to find clarity about. You can write about your own personal experience and turn it into an ebook, and then you start selling the just created ebook. If you want a detailed step-by-step process of how you can create an ebook, then let me know in the comment section below, and I will create a dedicated video just for you. Okay, once you have created your own ebook, you may be bothered on where to sell your just created ebook. I have a complete tutorial on where you can actually sell digital product, and of course an ebook is a digital product, so you will feel good to watch that video, as I will have it linked in the description box below. Be sure to watch and learn. Now, the very next business that you can actually do to start making money in dollar is teaching in foreign language. As a result of the internet, the world is already getting smaller by the day, as information can get from one end to another end as easily as possible. For this singular reason, people with different language barriers actually want to stay connected and also want to get connected, and so a lot of people out there want to learn several languages. So if you understand and you can speak in different languages, then build up your own skills and start teaching people in different languages, and you get paid in dollars. One of the many websites where you can teach people and you make money in dollars is italki.com. All you need to do here is to become a teacher on italki.com. So if you are very familiar with your own language or any other language at all, be it your local language, you can earn money in dollars. You can go through a simple interview session, and upon being accepted, you get paid as low as $30 per hour and as high as $100 per hour, which of course is dependent on the language that you are teaching, one, and also on the person that you're actually teaching the language that you are teaching. You can also set up a professional profile on Twitter. You can set up a professional profile on LinkedIn. And then when you do that, you tend to get international clients that will enable you to earn in dollars as well as other currencies just by teaching languages. You have the opportunity to make a lot of money if you know how to speak several languages. Now, the number 4 business to earn money in dollar is called copywriting. Almost all businesses, if not all, want to make more sales either online or offline, and so they will need a copywriter. The skills of copywriting is one of the highest paying skills online for the reason that I've just given a couple of seconds earlier. And you as a copywriter, all that is needed of you is to put up content or craft up a sale copy that converts into leads for businesses to make more sales. Your aim is to write copies that will help businesses generate a lot of sales. Once you have mastered the art of copywriting, all that is needed of you to do is to go to freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, Upwork.com, and a whole lot of other freelancing websites that are available to you on the internet, and sell the skills of copywriting that you have. You could also become a solopreneur and go to places like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and sell your skills. Set up a professional profile and people will definitely reach out to you, and then you get to earn in dollars. The skill of copywriting will continue to be relevant because every business owner out there is out to make money, and they are willing to sell more of their products, they are willing to sell more of their services, and so they will always require the service of a copywriter either now or someday in the later future. Now, this is one of the secrets that you need to take to heart and act upon really quickly, as copywriting is one of the highest paying skills out there that can earn you a whole lot of money in dollars. So if you wish to learn copywriting, there is a whole lot of resources on the internet. Now, sites like udemy.com, Skillshare, or even copywriting.com are sites where you can actually learn copywriting. Go to this site. I also have the links in the description box below, so you can actually start learning the skill of copywriting to enable you to earn in dollars. Now, the 5th website where you can can actually make money online in dollars is called affiliate marketing, which I must say to you is the coolest business model that people are using to make a lot of money in dollars. All that is needed for you here is to check out a product that is very good on the market, find out the best strategies to sell the particular product that you have found, and then upon selling the particular product, you get commissions on sale. It is that simple. There are a whole lot of sites out there that will enable you to get started with affiliate marketing for free. Now, a good number of them will pay you in dollars. Sites such as ClickBank, DigitStore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Impact, Commission Junction, and many others will pay you in dollars. Although ClickBank and DigiStore24 will not allow Nigerians to get signed up, but be rest assured that the others that I have mentioned will definitely allow you sign up and start making money in dollars as an affiliate. Now, aside this affiliate program that I have listed above, other affiliate programs are independent in nature, so you can at least start making money in dollars by just signing up through them directly. Bluehost, as an example, is an independent affiliate program that you can make up to $65 per sign up, guys, and many others that are not mentioned right here in this video. But the truth is that when you compare someone who is making $1 to somebody who is making 1,000 naira as at today, it is obvious that the person who is making 1,000 naira is making more money than the person who is making $1. Now, our aim is to make money and not just to earn in various other currencies. Okay, all right, I'm so glad that you watched this video till this very point, and so here is the free gift that I have for you, and this gift that I will give you is a gift that is going to grant you access to over 150 affiliate programs that you can get started with right away, and I will have links in the description box below. And also, if you love this video, give this video a like, and also stay subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future updates. Now, if you want to learn in-depth details about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a video that I've done right here on the card or in the description box below. Go and watch and learn and begin making money right here in this year, and I'll see you in the very next video.